my god, it's tearing me up. I'm sorry, guys. A live cicada. Oh, dude, they tore it up. Daggum. Luffy, you're such a good boy. Oh, dude, you are enjoying that cicada. That is probably the fastest thing I've seen in my life. I know y'all don't like the light. I'm sorry. Daddy's sorry, but you get a treat. You got your protein. Hey, that's enough. Y'all don't fight over it. Sorry guys, I couldn't risk having the cicada to come out of the cage to make it fly everywhere. Dadgum, they're chowing down. Lucian, I see you, baby. But Luffy, dadgum, dude. You freaking hopped right onto that. I'm so sorry that the light's on, but I had to get the whole thing, baby. I had to get the whole thing. And there you go. I caught a cicada, went ahead and fed it to Luffy and Daddy, which would be Lucian. That would be the white one. And they are definitely loving that thing so much. Oh yeah, they're chowing down on it so quickly too. But alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video for Luffy. Of course, Luffy's enjoying his snack. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video, guys.